Winchester Model 94 in.45 Colt with the 16-inch barrel. So it's not SBR length, but it's pretty short. And you've got the light right here for the nocturnal activities. Cartridge carrier on the buttstock. A very nice strap here. And this is where it's at. This is what we're talking about. Oh, yeah. With the Skinner sight, it's got the light up here. This gun is just fucking totally tricked out and walls to the wall. Balls to the wall. This is why I am the Levergun Bum, because this is the gun that brings you the fun.